Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy English Talk, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Raul.
And I'm Emma. We're very happy to have you with us today. How are you feeling, Raul?
I'm feeling good, Emma. I'm calm and ready to talk. What about you?
I feel great too, and I'm excited about today's topic.
Yes, today we're going to talk about our learning English journey.
That's right. Learning English is a journey, not a race.
Before we begin, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Easy English Talk.
Your support helps us a lot. Raul, let me ask you first. When did you start learning English?
I started learning English when I was in school. At first, it was not easy for me.
I understand. Many people feel that way. What was difficult for you in the beginning?
Pronunciation was very difficult. I knew some words, but I was afraid to speak.
That's very common. Many learners feel shy or nervous when speaking English.
Yes, I was scared of making mistakes.
I felt the same when I learned a new language. Mistakes can feel uncomfortable.
I worried about people laughing at my English.
That fear stops many learners. But making mistakes is a normal part of learning.
Yes, I learned that later. Now I understand that mistakes help us improve.
Exactly. If we don't make mistakes, we don't learn.
That's true. When I started speaking more, I felt more confident.
Confidence grows with practice, not perfection. How did you practice English, Raul?
I practiced a little every day. I listened to English videos and podcasts.
That's a great habit. Listening helps a lot.
Yes, I also read simple English stories.
Reading helps us learn new words and sentence patterns.
Sometimes I read the same sentence many times.
That's okay. Repetition is very important.
I watched English videos with subtitles.
That's very helpful for beginners.
First, I watched with subtitles. Later, I tried without subtitles.
That's a smart way to learn.
It helped my listening skills a lot.
Listening every day trains your ears. Did you practice writing in English?
Yes, I did. I wrote short sentences about my day.
That's a very good method.
I didn't write long essays. I kept it simple.
Simple writing is better than no writing.
Exactly. Even one sentence a day helps.
How long did it take you to feel comfortable with English?
It took time. Learning English is not fast.
Yes, it's a slow and steady process.
Some days I felt good. Some days I felt frustrated.
That's very normal. Every learner feels that way.
I wanted to quit sometimes.
But you didn't.
No, I continued even on bad days.
Small progress is still progress.
Yes, one new word, one new sentence.
These small steps become big improvement over time.
Now I enjoy learning English.
That's the best stage to reach. Do you try to use English in daily life?
Yes, I try to think in English.
That's a very powerful habit.
I talk to myself in English sometimes.
That's excellent practice.
It helps me speak more naturally.
Now, let's practice some useful words from today's conversation.
Word 1. Journey. A journey is a long process. Example, learning English is a journey.
Word 2. Mistake. A mistake is something incorrect. Example, making mistakes helps us learn.
Word 3. Practice. Practice means doing something again and again. Example, I practice English every day.
Word 4. Confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself. Example, speaking more builds confidence.
Word 5. Frustrated. Frustrated means feeling upset or tired of trying. Example, I feel frustrated sometimes, but I continue.
Now, let's practice speaking together.
Please repeat after me. I am learning English every day.
I am not afraid of making mistakes.
I practice English step by step.
Learning English takes time.
Great job. Keep going.
Now it's your turn.
How long have you been learning English?
Write your answer in the comments. 1 or 2 simple sentences are enough.
Thank you for listening to Easy English Talk.
We hope this conversation helped you feel more confident,
Remember, learning English is a journey.
not a race. Take your time.
Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.
See you in the next episode.
Keep practicing!
Bye-bye.